Could the Southern African development community's stance on the MNANGAGWA GUKURAHUNDI be a turning point for political accountability in the region? The story unfolds in the early 1980s, a period marked by the GUKURAHUNDI massacres. Emmerson Mnangagwa, then Minister of State Security, played a key role in these events. It's a chapter of history Zimbabwe has long grappled with, and one that the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, had largely remained silent on. The timeline of events leading up to SADC's stance is as intriguing as it is revealing. We begin in the year 2017 when Mnangagwa ascended to power. His rise sparked a renewed focus on his past, including his involvement in the GUKURAHUNDI atrocities. Fast forward to 2019, the SADC, under increasing pressure from civil society groups, began to reconsider its silence. A pivotal moment arrived in 2021. The SADC publicly acknowledged the GUKURAHUNDI atrocities for the first time, marking a significant shift in regional politics. So, what exactly is SADC's stance on MNANGAGWA GUKURAHUNDI? It's one of cautious acknowledgement. The organization has recognized the atrocities, but stopped short of assigning direct blame to Mnangagwa. This stance reflects the delicate balance the SADC seeks to maintain in its role as a regional bloc. The SADC's approach to the MNANGAGWA GUKURAHUNDI issue signifies a shift in regional political dynamics. It's an acknowledgement of past atrocities, yet it also underscores the need for political accountability. As the SADC navigates these complex issues, its stance on the GUKURAHUNDI atrocities will continue to shape regional politics and the quest for justice. So, we conclude with a lingering question. Will the SADC's recognition of the GUKURAHUNDI atrocities lead to a more accountable future, or will it merely serve as a diplomatic gesture, leaving the victims' quest for justice unfulfilled? Only time will tell.